If you're running npm run dev and you're getting this error that cannot find module, server require hook, it probably means you just need to uninstall your Node modules and your package.json, and you need to install them again. It can happen for a few different reasons. For example, for me, I did a factory reset of my computer and I had to reinstall everything again. And even though I already have Node installed here, something happens with it that you have to remove it and reinstall it again. So the first command you need is you're gonna run remove node modules and package-lock.json in here. It might take a little while. Now we're gonna install npm version 20, just because even though the latest is version 22, it might still be too unstable. Now we're gonna use it, and now we're gonna install npm again. And once that is done, you can run the server npm run dev, or if you have any other command, and it should fix it. I just realized in the video I had installed version 20 and then used version 22, so I'm just gonna run everything again. I'm gonna uninstall that. I'm gonna install version 20, which it says right there it's already using version 20, so this one might not be necessary. So we do npm install, and we're gonna give that some time. Awesome, so that run, and you can see all the errors disappear. Now when I do npm run dev, it should be able to just launch the app like it used to. Got the local host right there, and always view it to make sure there's no errors, and there's not. Perfect.